Hey everyone, I'm Kate, and today I'm going to be telling you about two of my favorite art materials, which are toned paper sketch pad and charcoal pencils. This set comes with 3 black pencils and a white pencil. And the reason I like these materials so much is oftentimes when you're trying to get more depth in your drawings, which means you want them to look more three-dimensional, it can be hard to do without having them look flat, especially when they're on white paper. And the reason for this is when you use white paper, you're starting with the brightest bright of your drawing and bringing everything down. And by that I mean, look at this water bottle, for example. You can see that there are a few parts where it has little dings of highlight, so around here, kind of down here, obviously on this part, and there are parts where it has the darkest darks of it, so where the lid meets the bottle, if it's on a surface where the bottle meets the surface, but most of it is kind of in the middle. And if you're trying to draw it on white paper, basically the only parts of the drawing where the paper really should be showing through are on those brightest brights. And that's hard to do, and takes a lot of pencil and time. So another thing you can do instead of using white paper is use toned paper. So what I did is a quick sketch of the bottle. So even though this is just a quick sketch, I was able to get a decent amount of depth and dimension in the drawing. Now I'm going to show you a couple quick videos of some sketches I did using these materials so you can get a sense of the process.